Hi, it's your boy The Shack, and welcome back to BBT, Born Before Technology. Quick PSA out there. Wait, whoa. I almost forgot what channel we're on. We're on BBT. What does PSA even mean? Public Service Announcement. So guys, this is a quick public service announcement. We're trying to blow up this channel. We're trying to make it Africa's biggest tech channel. How are we going to do that, you're probably wondering? Well, to do that, I need your help. So click on that subscribe button so that you are part of this growing community. Press the notification bell so that you're notified every time I drop a dope video. And if you think the video is dope, like the video. And that's how we're going to grow to be Africa's biggest tech channel. So together, let's do it. Back to the video. Okay, guys. This is a bit of a sad video, man, because we're going to talk about the F word. This breaks my heart every time. The F word. Sometimes you might not want to, but sometimes you just gotta F it. Whoa, why are you cursing? No, not F it, like, I'll whisper it. Sometimes you got to format. That hurt me saying that. Formatting is one of the hardest things you can ever do, guys. I promise you. Just, oh wow. I know it's one of those things I hate doing. So let's say you've got now truly a problem where your phone is giving you hell and grief and drama and all of the above. And you just want to wipe the slate clean and start afresh. I'm going to show you how to F it. The word that shall not be spoken. Oh no, let's not go there. Well, let's get into it. So here's our device that we're gonna be effing. So let's power up our device right here. So your to format your phone, you're gonna have to make your way to your settings menu. So on our Samsung device here, if you scroll from the side, you will get your settings button right there. That's a quick and easy shortcut. However, for my BBTs, maybe you might have lost that. Let's take you the easy route. You're going to swipe up to show up all your apps, and then you're just going to look for the one that says settings. So we're going to select that there. So now we're going to scroll all the way until you find About Phone. Or you can just simply press on the search icon there, and then you can just type in the words factory reset. And then your phone will search for that setting for you. So you're going to select there factory data reset. So now, also, did you see that? To show you, so that you're not scrolling up and down to see where it is, it just flashed quickly to show you this is what you were looking for. That's a nice touch. So you're going to select restore factory data. So now it's telling you here, it's going to delete everything on the phone. So it's your Google account, your system, your apps data, your music, your downloaded apps. So make sure you have backed up before you do this step. All your other apps, everything. So you're gonna select reset and then delete all. And there it goes. Ooh, ow. I know it hurts. Trust me, believe me, I know it hurts. But sometimes you gotta do things for the greater good. So now we're just gonna go through the boot screen and now basically erasing all of your data on the phone and just making sure that once it's done the process, your phone is going to bring you back to your initial setup screen. Basically, it's going to take you to the welcome screen to say, welcome, please start here, select your language to set up your device. It's crazy how long it takes to set up a phone and how quick it takes to format it. Wow. And did you see how quick and easy it was? I'm telling you, that was just a snap like that. So this is now just the final boot screen that it's gonna get while it's busy deleting and erasing all of the data. So it does take a few seconds or a couple of minutes at the most. It doesn't take too long to actually for this whole process to continue. But guys, just to give you a little bit, while it's busy doing its thing, let me just to give you a little background on why would you want to format. So usually formatting takes it back to the way it was. So maybe you've downloaded too many apps, or we all have done that where we got an app that just started taking our phone over with a whole lot of adverts and it's popping up everywhere and you can't even select anything. Your phone's unusable. Maybe your phone's running slow. Maybe all of these different things that your phone is just not operating the way it's supposed to. So sometimes it does need just a little bit of format just to get things over, and it is a tedious process, but at least now you have learned from your mistakes, and then you will have your phone operating the way you're used to it operating, and it's not frustrating to use your device. Because at the end of the day, technology is here to make life simpler, better, easier, and faster. And you can't do that if your phone is just keep throwing you with ads or it's just freezing on you. But there we go, guys. Simple as that. That's how quick it is to format your phone and start afresh. So stick with BBT and I will show you more and what the world has to offer within this world of technology. Because guys, you shouldn't be scared of tech. You shouldn't be. Just understand with great power comes great responsibility. And knowing all these different things just helps you integrate and just be a part of the tech world and enjoy the fruits that it has. Because there's so much to easy living that a simple few tech measures can actually bring to you. So there we go, guys. See you in the next one. Audi, peace.